Welcome to the English Alphabet Part 1. In this series, we will learn the first 13 letters of the English alphabet, from A to M, and discover how each letter sounds. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and pronounce these letters correctly. Let's begin our journey into English letters. The first letter is A. The letter A has two main sounds. It can sound like I, as in the word cake, or it can sound like ah, as in the word cat. The uppercase form is written as capital A, and the lowercase form is written as small a. Practice saying these sounds, I and ah. The letter A is the very beginning of the English alphabet. The second letter is B. The letter B makes the sound B, like in the word ball or bat. When you say the B sound, your lips come together and then open quickly. The uppercase form is capital B, and the lowercase form is small b. Try saying B several times to get familiar with this sound. The third letter is C. The letter C has two different sounds. It can sound like K, as in the word cat, or it can sound like S, as in the word city. The uppercase form is capital C, and the lowercase form is small c. This letter is interesting because its pronunciation depends on the letters that follow it. The fourth letter is D. The letter D makes the sound D, like in the word dog or day. To make this sound, place your tongue behind your upper front teeth and then release it. The uppercase form is capital D, and the lowercase form is small d. Listen to the D sound and repeat it aloud. Now we move to three new letters. The letter E makes the sound E, like in the word egg. The letter F makes the sound F, like in the word fish. To make this sound, your upper teeth touch your lower lip. The letter G makes the sound G, like in the word go. Each letter has an uppercase and lowercase form. Practice all three sounds, E, F, and G. Let's learn three more letters. The letter H makes the sound H, like in the word hat. To make this sound, you breathe out gently. The letter I makes the sound I, like in the word ice. The letter J makes the sound J, like in the word jump. Each letter has both uppercase and lowercase forms. Say these sounds clearly, H, I, and J. Finally, let's complete part 1 with the last three letters. The letter K makes the sound K, like in the word kite. The letter L makes the sound L, like in the word lion. To make this sound, place your tongue behind your upper front teeth. The letter M makes the sound like in the word moon. When you say your lips press together. Congratulations! You have now learned all 13 letters from A to M. Practice these letters regularly to remember them well.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.